Since about 15 days, I've been wanting to write about a dream. I was traveling on a train, coming from Bangalore to Mumbai. At that time, Agar Tum Saath Ho played on my playlist. I just wanted to watch Tamasha right after that. So, went on Netflix, watched the movie. I watched it after 5 years. And the first time I watched it, I had a very different interpretation of the movie. And now, after 5 years, where that movie hit me too bad. Ironically, the same thing happened with Rockstar. The first time I watched it, I was like, oh, damn, it's such a slow movie. But then when I watched it again, I was aspiring to become a writer then. And that's when the movie hit me at a very different level. It reminded me of my muse, my ex-muse to be accurate. And I don't write about her anymore. Both the movies were by the same filmmaker. His characters, they end up assaulting me emotionally. And I feel that probably we need these characters. They have a lot of depth to them. And I realized that this is what I want to do with all of my characters. So I watched Tamasha. And in that there's a female character, the female lead, her name is Tara. Turns out in my first novel, I wrote about a girl named Tara. And these two characters were poles apart. Ved questions that how does Tara know him better than he does himself? How can she be so sure? This is a pivotal moment of the story. I forget about the building up of the love sequences before all of that. कहानियाँ तो build up के लिए होती है ना. But this was right in the middle. चलो मैं अपनी कहानी के बारे में बताता हूँ. मैं जिंदगी जीने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, गुजारने की नहीं. 29 साल से मेरी ट्रेन पटरी पे आ चुकी है. 7 साल से ये कलम के साथ जो सफर है बेकरार है. एंड आ गया चलती गई गाड़ी में भूल के. शुरुआत से नहीं, बीच से ही वापस चालू करूंगा. आप लोगों को कभी कभार पहले आर्टिस्ट को देखोगे खड़े स्टेज पे, you'll build up a perception about him. You might think that you probably know this guy because you might see yourself in this particular artist. It's not wrong. It is not at all wrong. Because इसमें ना ही मैंने आपको अभी तक बताया मैं कौन हूँ, ना ही आपने पूछा है मैं कौन हूँ, पर फिर भी मैं बता देता हूँ हमेशा. Whenever anybody tells me that why do you write? But just before that, I sometimes just say it out loud. क्यों लिखता हूँ मैं? इंसान हूँ, शख्स हूँ जो इन अल्फाजों के पीछे छुपे रहता है. हिंदी में लिखना आता नहीं, पर फिर हिंदी में लिखने की कोशिश करता हूँ. All my stories are in English because I feel more connected to myself at that time, because that's the first thought that comes to my head. And let's just get down to the middle. I told you I don't want to talk to you. No, I cannot talk to you right now. My mental plates have been shifted. I don't have my composure. I might just say something wrong. Please stop messaging me. Stop calling me. I am not in the state of a conversation with you. But the message just keeps coming. Conversations just keep flowing. I want the post. I kept on telling them, don't push me to that limit. I don't know what I will say. No means no. Does that statement only relate to physical nature of the abuse? I mean, you could use a search engine to type in those keywords. You probably have a few articles giving you a detailed description of whatever goes down. But please do tell me. And now you might wonder कि अपनी कहानी मुझसे पूछ रहा है कायर. दिल में हीर लिए, हीर खोजे वीराने में, फरेबी धोखेबाज. पीयूष मिश्रा का जो डायलॉग है वो हमेशा याद रहता है मुझे. But the person wants to question me. Is it unacceptable for the person to question me, or what is unacceptable with that I'm warning the person that don't talk to me right now, and still the person pushes, goes on and on and on, and comes a breaking point and the person wonders, fuck, क्या बोल दिया इसने? What is he trying to say? I wanted to use the word provoke, But the moment the word provoke comes into my head, I picture Tara standing right behind me, and I'm standing at the edge of the cliff. She's got a gun pointed at my head, and she tells me, jump. Take the step, fall down. That is the first thing that comes into my head. No matter what the end is going to be, I will jump, I will meet the bottom, and I will die. Conclusion is the same. But if I choose to jump down, it will be more passionate than compared to a bullet hole in my head. Shit. सपने के एंड पे पहुंच गया मैं. स्टार्टिंग से बताया भी नहीं आपको सपना क्या. अधूरा रह गया ये तो सपना. कोई नहीं. अगली बार वापस स्पीच से शुरुआत करूंगा. थैंक यू.
मैं सोचा मैं ही हैवी डोज लेके गया हूँ.